Hey guys, it's Dee and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm so excited. So if you guys saw my video I did a couple of weeks ago, I did an unboxing of some BT21 makeup that VT Cosmetics kindly sent out to me. A couple of days later, they contacted me again and they wanted me to review a new product that was getting released that is a collaboration between VT Cosmetics and BTS. I know I'm gonna say it wrong. L'Atelier des Subtiles Signature Hand Collection. You guys might have seen that BTS and VT Cosmetics released their own perfumes. This is the hand creams that have been made based on the scents of the perfumes. And they also invited me to go to the pop-up store, but it's in Seoul, so I couldn't afford to fly all the way to Seoul, unfortunately. Before anyone jumps on my ass, this is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to say this. They literally just sent me this out to do a review of. So all the thoughts and opinions in this video are my own. So all the information, I'm going to list everything below in the description, obviously, but I'm going to try and be as informative as I can throughout the video. There is a pop-up store in the Lotte department store, which is in Myeongdong. The pop-up store operation period is from the 27th of September to the 6th of October. So it's about 10 days. Actually gutted that I can't be there to see it, but I'm sure it's gonna be insane. VT Cosmetics said the pop-up store offers a variety of things to see, events and gifts rather than just a sales space. I did just get a parcel in the mail today from VT Cosmetics and I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys, and I'm actually gonna do a trial and review. This literally just arrived today, so it's perfect timing because I was already filming today. I'm so happy and it's all in here and I'm super excited and super grateful that VT sent this to me. And I'm also really I'm on edge because I can't actually post anything till the 27th and today's the 24th, so I can't post anything online for another 3 days. They've sent me some more of these lenticulars, so I actually have 2 packets of lenticulars now. Maybe I should do a giveaway. Oh my gosh. This is the box, and sorry you can see the glare from my curtains. And now on the back it has a explanation in both Korean and in English. So it says VT and BTS L'Atelier des Subtiles Signature Hand Collection. Signature hand cream blended with L'Atelier des Subtiles signature perfume, which gently and softly wrap dry skin while fulfilling the moment with abundance of scent. While fulfilling the moment with abundance of scent. So they also have instructions on the back about how to use, as well as precautions and ingredients as well. So for how to use, it says, after washing hands and feeling the dryness of skin or need a delicate scent to be applied, use appropriate amount and rub out evenly to help absorption. Then there's just precautions like consult a doctor if you experience any unusual symptoms, do not use on open wounds. As for ingredients, there is a whole big list, but just from looking at it, there is alcohols in there, there's beeswax, there's shea butter. So let's open this bad boy. I'm so excited. This box is unreal. You guys know that I'm gonna be keeping this. It's gonna be going on my display. Does it push out or does it open? Oh, okay, it's a magnetic seal down the bottom. Wow. Oh, they're so sleek. I actually love the packaging. They're all a different color for each perfume. So we've got Ocean, Musk, Vert, Boy, Citrus, Cotton, and powder. I'll pull them out and then we will test them out in terms of scent, how they feel on my hands in comparison to other hand creams that I have. Genuinely really impressed at the sizing. If we were to compare these hand creams to another hand cream I own, the BTS hand cream is 50 mils, and in comparison to this one, this is from Innisfree and this is a 30 ml one. So I really did think they were going to be actually quite a lot smaller. So the first one is Ocean. It has keywords and it has fragrance notes as well, which I think is really smart. So the keywords are aqueous, ocean, and breezy. The fragrance note is basically like what it contains. So bergamot, lily, algae, rose, moss, and cedar wood. This is Jungkook's one. Oh, that's an interesting scent. Didn't wear a long sleeve today, so I'm gonna just test on like parts of my arm, I guess, so there can be like a division and we can try and like try all the scents. It feels really moisturizing. It kind of feels a little bit thick, but then you start to blend it out and it's like a really good consistency. The smell is, it's nice. It smells like a more mature sort of scent, if that makes sense. Okay, so the next one is musk. I know that this one is taste. The keywords are musk, soft, addictive, and the fragrance note is blackcurrant bud, bergamot, raspberry, cumin, neroli, tree moss, thyme, civet, patchouli, sandalwood, and musk. So this contains a lot more than Jungkook's one does. Personally, I don't own the perfume, but if you do own the perfumes and you buy these hand creams, you can layer the hand creams over the top of the perfumes. It's gonna amplify the smell. It's gonna make it more long lasting. I've just popped a little bit on my arm. Oh, I just got lip gloss on my arm. Okay, I prefer this one. I really like that one. It actually reminds me of the smell of a beauty salon. I really like that. Prefer that over the ocean smell. Moving on, we have Vert, which is Yoongi's. The keywords are green, cozy, and intense. The fragrance note is sweet orange, coconut, rosewood, vanilla, patchouli, cedarwood, sandalwood, tonka bean, moss. I'm just putting it on the inside of my arm now, and then I'm gonna have to move to this arm, I think. I can't express how smooth and creamy these feel. In comparison to a lot of hand creams I've tried, they feel really like, they just feel luxurious. If you went to like a bougie hotel, this would be like the hand cream that's like sitting on the little display where like all the shampoos and stuff are. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Does kind of make me think of Yoongi. It looks weird me sniffing my arm. I think I still prefer the musk one, but I do like that scent. Moving on, we have Voice. This is Namjoon's one. Keywords are woody, warm, and elegant. The fragrance notes are coriander, juniper, amber seed, lavender, vetiver, and cedarwood. I think that one of the best things about these hand creams and the whole perfume line is that they are unisex and they're very versatile. If you just want to use it to smell good, like, you could literally use this as like probably like a perfume. Oh, interesting. Okay, now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really a fan of this one. When I saw that it was like, the theme was like wood, I kind of knew that was gonna happen, like that I'm not gonna be the biggest fan of it. I could imagine Namjoon wearing this, then that makes me feel really good. But for my personal taste, like I wouldn't pick this one. So this one is citrus and this is Hozog's. The keywords are citrus, fresh, energizing. The fragrance note is lemon, elmi, bergamot, parsley, nutmeg, algae, white musk, ambergris, pine, and moss. Oh, okay. It smells like this plant. I literally can't think of the name. Wait, you know what it smells like? It literally smells like parsley. It smells like parsley. Did I say that was one of the ingredients? Yeah, it does. It literally just smells like parsley. Oh, Hozog, sweetie, I'm so sorry, but this just smells like parsley. This is obviously not a dig to VT. Like, I don't want them to think I hate them, but it really does. It really does smell like parsley. Other people might really enjoy that scent, but to me, not really down my alley. Next one is Cotone. This is Seokjin's and the keywords are cotton, soft, and delicate. Fragrance notes are blackcurrant, bergamot, apple, melon, jasmine, rose, plum, violet, sandalwood, cedarwood, and white musk. I feel like I'm going to enjoy this one. Oh, I do really like that one. That's really good. I like that one. So far, I like that one and musk the best. We still have one more to test, which is Jimin's one, but I really like that one. If you're really into like florally kind of scented perfumes and stuff, you're really going to enjoy that one the most. So the last one is Powder, but well, it's spelled like poudre. This one belongs to Mr. Park Jimin. So the keywords are power, ambery, and mysterious. And the fragrance notes are clover, bergamot, geranium, heliotrope, clove, patchouli, labdanum, vanilla, sandalwood, and ambergris. The only ones I know on that are like clover, clove, vanilla, and sandalwood. I don't know the rest. Oh, that's so nice. This whole video is just like 30 minutes of me smelling my arm. That smells really good. Like, you can definitely smell the vanilla, like it really stands out. It smells like really fresh. Okay, VT and BTS Laitier de Subtil Signature Hand Collection. My thoughts on this. Okay, where do we start? In terms of favorite scents, I really like musk, cotton, I'm just gonna say cotton, and powder. In terms of how they all feel the same. The formula is quite thick. Like, so if I get this Innisfree one, it leaves a more wet kind of feel. The Innisfree one feels more like lightweight and feels more like wet in comparison to these ones, whereas the formula on these ones feels a bit more heavy and thick, and it feels a bit more luxurious, and a little goes a long way. Like, you literally need the tiniest bit. It doesn't really feel like extremely moisturizing, but it makes your hands feel really, really soft. It's really smart because if you are someone that owns all the perfumes, then you can not only wear your favorite perfume scent, you can also wear the matching hand cream. The packaging is really sleek, it's simple. You could definitely use these in quite a versatile way. You could use like a different one for a different season. Also, there are people that don't actually like using perfumes, and they don't own perfumes because they feel uncomfortable using perfumes. So this would be a good alternative because the scent is so strong. You literally don't even need to buy the perfume. Like, you can just buy the hand creams. I will leave everything you need to know down below. I do think it's really good, and as someone that is a collector, this box is gonna make a good addition to like what I collect. So if you guys are like me and you collect these kind of things, then you're obviously going to really enjoy this box. I think that comes to the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which scent you think you would enjoy the most, or if you have the perfumes, I really want to hear from you guys. If you guys enjoy them, if you guys like them. I just want to say a big thank you to VT Cosmetics. Thank you so much. It's just crazy because like VT was like one of my favorite brands for such a long time, and like when I went to Korea and Singapore, like I've gone to the VT Cosmetics shops and bought all like VT Cosmetics makeup and all like skincare and stuff, and then to actually be contacted by them, it means a lot to me. I'm super honored. If you guys want some good smelling hand creams and you want a super sexy box that has BTS on the front, I recommend getting these hand creams. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new around here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Peace.